Hello and welcome back to my channel, Darren's Adventure Chronicles. I think that's the name I'm going to go with. So sticking to the folding bike theme, today I'm testing out an e-bike. It's the Hitway BK35, which was sent to me by the company that makes it. Apparently it's got a range of 25 to 60 kilometers depending on the weather and hills and what assistance of power you use. So today I want to go and see my friend Maya the Pug, who's featured on my channel before, and her owner, who is my friend as well. And it's on the other side of London. I live in West London. It's on the opposite end in East London. It's about 25 kilometers away. The directions say it's going to take about an hour and a half to cycle there. So I'm going to see if this bike can get me all the way there. So let's see how it goes. Oh, it's chilly. -3 degrees, I believe. So we've got a little screen here that tells your speed. Oops. And your level of assistance. I'm currently on level 2. And I'm on 7 miles an hour. The max is 15 miles an hour, which is in line with the UK law. And I've got a full battery at the moment. And got a long way to go. It's freezing today, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day. And it's a bit hazy, so it's created this beautiful, mysterious atmosphere here down by the Thames. I'm sitting comfortably so far. It took a while to adjust the seat and the handlebars to something that I thought, okay, this might work for me. Bike currently weighs 17 kilograms. It's not too bad carrying it up a few stairs for me. So I'm riding on assistance number 1 at the moment. Let's go to number 2. Doesn't feel that different. Number 2. Okay. There we go. So I'm on number 2, I'm going to try number 3. Whoa, okay. It's an immediate boost. Whoa. Yeah. That is fast. So I actually just gave myself a little boost through High Street, Kensington, going on level 3. And it got me through there nice and quickly. And now I've arrived in Hyde Park. But when I was in 3, the battery level went down to 2 out of 4. So I was like, oh, is the battery, if I used half the battery already? And I haven't even gone that far. I put the assistance level down to 2 now, and the battery level's gone back up. So it is a bit confusing with the battery level. Like, you think you've got half the battery left, but actually it's because you're on the highest level of assistance. It's just not that clear. But I'm sort of starting to figure out how it works. So, yeah. The other thing is when I was going with full assistance, really fast, it's really fast down. I got cold because I basically didn't have to pedal or do anything. I'm just sitting on the bike. In the mid, I'm going to say low, medium, high for assistance, and battery will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll make more sense. So in medium, you have to do a bit of pedaling. It's not actually that much, but you know, at least it will keep me warm on this chilly day. Otherwise, I'm just enjoying the cycle. Actually, it's nice. I like coming through Hyde Park. There's so many people out and about. I know it's a Sunday, but I'm surprised on a day when it's like -4. Everybody's out and about, running, cycling and walking. But I guess it's a nice day, so why wouldn't you? Come on, let's go, go, go. Give myself a little boost uphill. I should be trying to save the battery, but hey ho. Busy, busy, busy. Stop, take a look. Cold busy. I've just seen all the sights today. The Houses of Parliament in Big Ben. Isn't it lovely? Look at all these people queuing for a picture with the phone box. I love that. Just take things like that for granted when you live in a city like London. I've got the London Eye now. God. I've just stopped because the seat's gone down again, which is really annoying. Just rides down, even though it's really tight. Just means that I end up cycling with my knees in my face. So I figured out I'm 15 minutes away, which is great, because I'm getting cold. It's been all right. Apart from the seat riding down over time, everything else is fine. I've still got more than half of the battery apparently, although I'm not 100% sure because it keeps changing. I've been on the medium level of assistance pretty much all the way, and every now and then I give myself a little boost if there's like a long stretch of road or cycleway, or I want to overtake a bus or whatever. So that's been cool. Looking forward to getting there, getting a nice hot cup of coffee, and catching up with my friend and Maya, of course. So yeah. See if I can keep up with the Lime bike. Come on. Oh no. Not quite. Yeah, here we go. I thought Lime bikes were also set to 15. Oh, gotta stop here. Come on. Oh, damn it. Because I was trying to keep up with the Lime bike, I've now gone the wrong way. So, where do I go? Where am I? Let's go left. Left. And then right, so let's take a look at the specs of this budget-friendly e-bike. The bike is made from aluminium and priced at around £450. For that price, you get a fully powered foldable e-bike that's really convenient for storage or transport. It weighs around 17 kilograms with the battery, so it's not the lightest on the market, but I found it manageable. It comes with a single-speed drivetrain, so no gears. It has 16-inch wheels and they're nice and thick, so I found it quite comfortable across different terrains from city streets to light off-road paths. It's got disc brakes and I didn't experience any issues with them, they seemed pretty solid. Overall, I think this could be a great little e-bike for short local trips, whether it's visiting friends, exploring the city or just getting around. Its foldable design makes it easy to store, so it could also be a handy companion for car camping trips. Plus, with the thick tyres, it's fun cycling on gentle forest tracks or trails. However, there are a couple of things that I wish it had. A front or rear rack for carrying luggage would be a nice addition, and I think the battery level indicator could be more accurate. While I know e-bike range can vary based on a lot of factors, a more precise indicator would help a lot in managing that. One issue I did have was with the seat post. It kept sliding down while riding. I'm not sure if this was a setup issue on my side, but if anyone has a solution, feel free to drop it in the comments. So I'm just about there now. I've made it. I still have a bit of battery left. Again, not sure how much, but it's showing 2 bars. So that's pretty good, I think. So that's 25 kilometers, I think that distance was. Just trying now to get across a very busy road. And I'm through. And now it's time to hopefully get warm and get a warm cup of coffee. Please. That's Maya. Hello. Oh my god, it's so warm in here. Where are you? Hello. Hey. I'm here. Are you so excited? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here, where are you? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.